Annette Necor, the worker in Kanaaman. She actually just she underwent appendectomy 2 months ago, right? Right now she has recovered and she is back climbing mountains again. Okay, so may ara kayo naghambal sa mga kauturan tapos sa sa Australia. Sige lang.
Ano ba
Ang bala lang kay interpret ko lang.
Ang akon na nga gina ano nga makaano liwan ang simbahan makatindog.
My prayer and desire really now is to see our station chapel restored back to its former state. Ano pa mga kinanglanan ka makauturan mo diyan nga napangmuyuan mo?
Kinanglan ka nga mga nga makaano man makabulig man kananda bisan kanta nga andang financial.
And also the members here, some of them have financial needs due to crop losses during the typhoon.
Wala.
Pasalamat ka nanda.
Durog nga salamat.
We really would like to thank the brethren sa
sa andang bulig.
For all the support that you have extended us all here. Thank you very much.
Kag sa bulig nga nanda kanakan nga nakabalik ako.
And especially for the personal help that she has really received during her operation.
Kag sa bulig nanda sa akong nga bana.
And also for the medical assistance given to her husband. Right now, her husband is undergoing treatment for tuberculosis.
Durugid nga salamat.
Thank you very, 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 very much to all of you.
Wala.
Yeah, that's all.